everyone, I'm Liana with Music Academy International, Inc. and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm continuing my series of Czerny Opus 599, and I'm gonna go right now section 2 that starts with number 11 all the way to number 18, right? All the way to number 18. And this section is called exercises for 5 fingers. You know, 5 fingers. We're gonna stay in the one position, C, D, E, F, G. And the next, the next 8 Czernys, the next 8 tutorials. And with a quiet hand. What it would be the quiet hand? Meaning, it's not quite quiet. It's meaning peaceful hand, like little, nice and, smooth. Let's put it this way, smooth, right? In this series, you will see that the lesson this time is going to do all kind of accompaniment patterns that we will talk one by one by one. We will approach this. So what I want to tell you, I did do another series of Czerny Opus 299. That's for the speed. I realized that most of you, whatever at this moment in time, you're not quite there for the speed. So this Czerny is a foundation, going through this entire book, that actually there are 100 Czernys. I'll try to do as many as I can. Maybe all, I am not sure. But anyhow, so this Opus 599 is the foundation to go for speed. And actually after this 599, it will go 847 and then 299, okay? So this Czerny, usually I'm starting with students that are kind of in good students that in favor and favor. My students would be level 3A or 3B, somewhere around there, in which they kind of know they do have a little bit of coordination. They do know about chords, they do know about scale, and they do know where they are. So it's time for some technique, songs, etudes, as it's called Czerny. On the second thought, I just want to tell you that for me, scales, Hanon and Czerny, again, scales, Hanon and Czerny, is the foundation of playing the piano. So if you're just doing scales and Hanon, that's fine. If you're doing Hanon and Czerny, that's fine. But all three together actually goes very well together. Again, you will have in my playlist, again, if you are more advanced, Czerny Opus 299 for virtuoso, that means for speed, and you have an entire first 20 exercises of Hanon on the playlist. Not only the patterns, I created there an ultimate drills series, how to practice that Hanon, because if you're not practicing right the patterns, first is boring, then it's not gonna go where it needs to go. So please check those into the into my playlist. And obviously, if you're new and you like this video, like subscribe and comment on it. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1, I'm changing the camera and let's go. Hi everyone, so I just switched the camera again. We are on the number 15 here. Very happy to have you back. Good. So what I'm gonna first play it, I'm gonna go pretty slow on this, so actually even slower, definitely on the 6-0. This one is a little bit faster, but this one, if you did very well number 13, you will be very easy for you on this one. So do check my number 13 video and work it very well. Don't jump to 15 if you did not do it 13. Or if you are very skilled, and you can do it, definitely do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yay! Alright, so as you could see, the right hand is dealing with triplets. Alright, so in my, yes, you know, already 30 years plus of experience of teaching and a lot of students, you know, I've seen a lot. Okay, so triplets, you must really get it, the point that triplets are even notes. And I'm calling the strawberries, or you can call it the blueberries or blackberries, all the berries that are around, okay? They are strawberry, 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 strawberry. So don't do this, like this. Strawberry, 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 okay? So they are perfect even syllables. Strawberry, strawberry, strawberry. Okay. Don't stay with the wrist low. Strawberry, strawberry. Oh, terrible, terrible. Don't do that, please. Okay. Right, so this needs to be even, smoothly, with ease. Relax, you know, like going in a pot and 1, 2, 3. Perfect coordination, right? Good, good. So as you can see in this 15, I'm continuing with the right hand. So first, we're having this chord that goes up, strawberry. Then in measure number 5 goes down. And then in measure number probably 4, 8, measure number 8, it will go down, up, middle. 8, 9, 10. But measure number 10, you have middle, down, up, 1, right? Same in measure number 9, 10, 11, 12. And then in measure number 13, you have bottom, top, middle. So practically these 3 notes, they're coming in different variations. That means different order. Up, down, middle, down, up, down, top, middle. All variation possible. And then you take D, F, G. That is in the measure number 3. Measure number 7, it's opposite. Measure number 9, it's middle, bottom, top, F, D, G. And then you have measure number, the one before the last one, D, G, F. So again, you have up, you have down, middle, bottom, top, middle. So this combination of fingers in different variation. Once these are practiced, then everything from the right hand is fine. So first of all, what I would do, I will take measure number 2 and 3 and just combine 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, right? Multiple times until it's very even. Then you go measure number 5 and 6 combine. 1, 2, strawberry, strawberry, ta 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 ta. Good. Measure number 9 and then 10. 1, 2, practice that multiple times, and then I will do this a little bit. You see, I'm always on the third, on the triplets. I'm giving a little accent on the count on the first note. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And obviously, I might go a little bit faster. Fast or too fast, or I am not sure. You tell me, am I going too fast? Anyhow, so you will do it according to your capabilities. That means if you need to do it that slow, you do that slow until you're learning how to control your fingers. Now, then beside whatever I showed you on the right hand, you know, you have just two, I'm calling transitions. That means is measure number 4, no brainer. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, and then the measure before the last one, 1. So you gotta pay attention on these transitions, right? So practice those two. And the song of the right hand, it's done. The left hand, it's supposed to be done because you have exactly the same thing on as Czerny number 13. So if you don't know how to do that, please go on my tutorial, Czerny 13, and listen that and practice that. So I will not say it again. I can't say it too many times, but definitely just in 2 words. Doesn't matter what fingering you're using, 1, 3, 5 or 1, 2, 5 on C chord. Lean, hold the bottom, and then you gotta be very light on the next. Right? So berry, strawberry, strawberry, strawberry. You see how I'm holding this? Strawberry, 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 strawberry pie. Good. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. That's your practice. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. To do it. Good. So I hope that was helpful. So that would be number 15. Obviously, the next one I'm gonna do a short one on number 16 because we're having right now 16 notes. So it's number 16 with 16 notes. That's a coincidence. I didn't even realize that. So yeah, practice. Please like, share, subscribe. Help me grow the channel, and I definitely would appreciate so much. That's very important to me. Very to like and to comment. Just say I love it. Nothing else. It takes you a second, and subscribe because that would give me more how should I say more you know, inspiration, and your feedback would help me to what exactly you would like me to do, so to grow the channel and share my passion for music and for piano. Okay, good. So I hope you enjoyed again, and see you in number 16. Yay!